Hey, you guys. We haven't done it in a while, so it's literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Listen, there's a lot of things going on right now. Let's list them. 1, I am getting over a terrible cold. I was like super sick. I was super sick. That's why my voice sounds like this. 2, kind of new background. Yes, Cupcake Queen, new background. I don't really know how I feel about it yet, so let's just move along. 3, I just got my hair dyed yesterday, and I don't know if like a lot of you, like when you get it dyed, it like is very like stringy until your like natural oils get through it, and I'm kind of self-conscious about it. And lastly, I feel like this lipstick is a little loud. I got 3 new lipsticks from Ritual Defeat, and I'm testing them out, and I like this color. I don't know. I don't know. Let's get into the video. All right, so for today's video, you probably saw the thumbnail. I did not pay for any of this stuff. Not that they sent it to me for free because I'm a great YouTuber. This is all from the Flip app. I know I did a recent video on Flip again. I actually started a Flip playlist, which I will leave in the description box because my original first Flip video actually does pretty well on my channel. It's one of the ones that is included in the top viewed for the month or whatever. And so I decided to make a list because from that first video, there's been some things. So that's that. But what happened from that last Flip video, if you caught it, I ended up getting that Ilia concealer for free as one of my free items. If you don't know how Flip works and you never saw one of my Flip videos before, it's an app that you watch like TikTok-like things, you get money for that, and then everything that they have in their shop is 30% off of the original price. So you can load up on stuff for 30% off that you would get at Sephora, at Ulta, Macy's, whatever. But also you have a little bank of money that you are accumulating because you watch some ads, and that is put towards the 30%. But once you buy stuff, you can upload videos, and then when you get views on those videos, they actually pay you money. So you have 2 choices. You can either put that towards more purchases, or you can cash out and just put it in your bank. So when I did the review for that Ilia concealer that I got for free, because you have to review your free items once you get them, that one got like 17,000 views or something. I ended up somehow making $160 worth of watchable content and got paid that $160 in January. And I was like, whoa, I did not know that that was possible, because up until then, like the biggest month that I ever had was like $8 or something like that. Because I actually made that video in like early January, it actually rolled over because it gives you 30 days to earn money on it. It rolled over into February, and so far for February, I have made like $32. So I was like pretty shocked at how that one actually kind of took off. So you never know what video, kind of like YouTube, is gonna actually do well. But since I had all that money in the app, I went ahead and placed another order, and I have a lot of things that I want to open and have opened because I had to make some videos. But I wanted to share them with you today. Unfortunately, there is like the biggest like letdown of this thing. One of the free items that I picked out was an actual bed quilt set for a king size bed. I was so excited to get it. It was like a gray kind of geometric quilt with 2 shams, and it was worth $110, and they offered that for free, you know, if you spend the tiered amounts. So I ended up getting that. I have received everything that I ordered except for that. And unfortunately, it says that it was delivered. So right now I am in contact with Flip support to figure out what to do, because I can't get any more free items until I review all my free items, and that was a free item. And I can't review it because I don't have it. But anyway, I didn't spend any of my own money on this stuff. I had all of that money in the bank from that one video getting watched 17,000 times that I didn't pay anything for this stuff. I went ahead and just transferred the $100 whatever that I spent from that bank and just bought all this stuff. So if you think, I ended up getting 3 free items in this order, which meant I spent $150, but it's 30% off of that $150, and they still give you the free items even though you're spending not $150. So it is like kind of cool how they do that. So I ended up spending what, like $126 or something? I don't know, something like that. Doesn't matter, I really didn't pay anything. So I do have 3 boxes and 2 packs, and we're just gonna open them up and I can show y'all what I got for nothing. Let's start off with the 1 box that I probably am gonna return. You have to understand, some of these buys, I was like just trying to hit the $150 mark to get 3 free items, so I just started like kind of throwing stuff in there. This being one of them. This is from a company called Modern Pets Living, and this, what I thought was going to be like a very kind of modern dog brush, and it is. It's pretty cool looking. This is just a piece of paper. This comes off. It just has their logo on it. Again, I think I might return it, so I'm just leaving it on there. But it's like a plastic dog brush. The thing is it is a de-shedding brush. So once you brush your dog hair, you press this up and you can pull the hair off. So I was looking for more of like just a regular pet brush. The de-shedding brushes, as you probably know if you have pets, they pull because they're trying to get that undercoat out. And for my Shih Tzu, who is the one I need to brush a lot, I know it's like it's too rough on him, but I really do like it. And I have a palm mix that I have to de-shed a lot anyway, so, but I never do. I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep this one yet. This was like $14.99 or $15.99 or something like that, and then the 30% off. So I just thought, you know, it's kind of like cute, modern, and fits my aesthetic, so I picked it up. I'm going to go through the 2 free things that I got because they are both clothing items. And I'm actually going to move over here because I have the flip videos that I did, because I'm not going to try them on for you right now, but you can see them in the video that I did for review on Flip. The first one that I got is from this company called Fame on Central. This I thought looked really good online. It's like I wear either black, white, gray, or right now I do neutrals. And when I say neutrals, I mean like taupes, browns, skin color, stuff like that. So when I saw this taupe top on Lip, I was like, oh, okay, this is cute and I could wear it to work, and it's kind of like modern and dressy. So this is a sweater that kind of ties in the front. So it's like split up the front, and then you can tie it in the front, but it's like a crop length on the other side. So it's like kind of designery, you know what I mean? I really liked it because it has like the puff sleeves with the elongated cuff. And honestly, for free, because I think this was normally around $60 on Flip, I'm like really happy with this one. It's really, really cute. It's lightweight, and I can't really complain about it for not paying anything for it. The next thing that I got for free is this company called Set Active. So the bag says Sets looks good on ya. So it's kind of like an activewear line, and this bra is called the Form Cloud Mini Longline Bra. And it actually is really cute. It's just a gray cotton sports bra, and it says, oh my God, my deodorant is, I'm so sorry. It says Set on the front there. I originally saw this on the model pictures, and I thought because it's a sports bra that it was gonna have cups in it, but it doesn't. But the fabric is actually compression-y enough that it does hold the girls. I would not wear this to the gym, but I would definitely lounge around the house in it. And really, for not paying anything for it, I think it's absolutely adorable, and it's really comfortable and does give me some of the support. And I can't remember what this was on Flip. Let me see if it says on the thing. No, it doesn't say. But it was like, you know, around $50 or something. So I didn't pay for it. I'm not mad at it. So I've got 2 boxes. I'm going to put this one to the side. I really do I wanted to do this video because I wanted to open up this box. This is the, like, you know, makeup skincare-ish stuff that I got, and I have been wanting to try some of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it right now. The new boxes that they use are so hard to open. They used to not be like this. So here's the box. All right, I kind of remember what I got. Let's see. I'll just open up this first one. Everything's wrapped in paper here. Oh yeah, okay. So I've actually ordered these from Flip before and I got a second set. These only $6 on Flip, and then you get the 30% off. So they're like super cheap, and I really do like these. These are the e.l.f. Cleansing Clouds. I really do like these ones. So I use cotton rounds, and right now I'm using reusable cotton rounds to take my eye makeup off when I get home from work. And these are in that vein, but they are super plushy. So they're like a reusable cotton round, and you just put your eye makeup remover or whatever on it, and then super soft against your skin, guys. I love these. So I had already bought a pair of these on Flip, and I just, because I was getting stuff for free, threw another one of these in there. So super happy about that. Love these things. Just gonna pull out the next item. Wow, this is heavy. Oh yes, yes, yes. This is a company called Skindinavia. I actually purchased their makeup remover spray, and then this is the makeup finishing spray in oil control. They have a couple of these in a line, like they have like bridal, hydrating, but I did get oil control. They sell these on Amazon. They're about $30 a bottle, and I do believe on Flip they're $29 a bottle, but you get the 30% off. I got them for free. But I wanted to try them because they're highly rated, which is nice. If you go on Amazon and read the reviews, they have a lot of stars, whatever that means on Amazon. Also, my one size makeup remover spray is almost gone, and I don't think they make it anymore. So I needed another makeup remover spray, and because I love it. Like, I love coming home, spraying it across my eyes, using the e.l.f. pads to take off my eye makeup, and then I go into the bathroom and wash my face to take the rest of my makeup off. So I love sprays because they're so easy. Then I am searching for another finishing spray. I want something that's gonna lock it down just a little bit more. The LYS one that I'm using, I like the finish of it. I don't think it's holding my makeup on all day. So this one was highly rated, and then obviously want to try this makeup remover. So perfect for me. These are, I think, 4 ounces each. So super excited to try these. That's why I wanted to open the box, because I really want to give these a shot. All right, let's see what the next one is. You know me. This is a purifying toner by Herbal Essentials, I believe. This is like a toner. I want to say it was like around $15 or something on Flip. You're getting the 30% off. But I thought this was a really decent size toner. This is a clarifying and purifying with neem and peppermint oil. Ooh, I love the sound of that. Yep. I love that. I hope Hubs loves it, because this is a nice type of toner to put in the bathroom, like before you go to bed, before you do your skincare, to just remove any extra impurities before you start that routine. So this was like a really good size, and I love the smell. So definitely gonna give this a shot, and you'll probably see how I feel about it in one of my empties videos, because I go through toner like so much. And then I know what this last two is, and you won't be surprised if you've been with me for long enough. Listen, guys, if you know, you know. This Pacifica Seafoam face cleanser is my favorite face cleanser, and I am super afraid that they're going away with it. You can't get it in Ulta anymore. I used to be able to find it at Target. You can't find it in Target anymore, and now it's on Flip. So I just have a feeling that it might be kind of moseying on out, and it scares me to death. So I picked up 2 more of these, my favorite face cleansers. Right now, I am using like Clean Zero or something like that, and I like it, but I have missed these guys like so much. These smell so good. They feel so good. They leave the skin feeling clean, but like refreshed. They foam up. I love these ones. You know it. You know it. I have one in like every empties video that I have, but so happy to have 2 of them for free. I mean, those were not my free items, but those cleansers only run for like $9.99 on Flip, and then you're getting the 30% off. So it's like super, super deal. Okay, the final box. This was something that I had been eyeing, and honestly, as one of my free items, they gave me a choice of one of these, but like in a smaller version, and I could only get one. And I was like, I really like those, but I'd rather have the bigger version, and I need 2 of them. So I went ahead and just like paid for them, since I wasn't really paying for them. These, I can't wait to see these. I'm super excited about this. Oh, they look so cute. This is from a company called Fellow. These are 2 Cortado mugs, and I am super excited about this. They are ceramic double-walled glasses with latte art infused, like kind of angling. So when you pour your cappuccino in here and then you put your steamed milk on there, the way that the inside is angled, it's supposed to make the kind of milk froth really go to the top so that you can make the latte art. Not that Hubs and I ever make latte art, but we definitely love the ritual of like making espresso, steaming the milk, putting it in there, and it does, there's something about that foamy white with the brown. It's just, it's amazing. When I saw that they had these little cups that were like white with a gold base, I was like, I want these. Oh, that's cute. They give you like a little Cortado drinks to try. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about these. Please be nice. Like, cause I think these were $20 a piece. They are gorgeous. Oh, they are gorgeous. Okay, so look at that. It's a white matte ceramic and it's got a copper bottom. And on the bottom, it does say Fellow. Oh, these are super gorgeous. Oh, I love these. It's like open both of them so I can have them side by side because Hubs and I do drink espresso together. But so this is the Cortado size, but they also have, and I have it on my desire list on Flip, they have the little tiny, just 1 espresso shot size. And then they have I think it's like a 6 ounce. This is a 4 ounce. I think it's a 6 ounce latte size. So you can get like a collection of them. Oh, they are so gorgeous. I love these. They did have them in black, and you're probably like, why did you not get black? I didn't get black because I have this idea of what I want to do with the wall downstairs in the Gothic farmhouse kitchen. I believe I want to paint the wall black and put these plant shelves up with industrial piping. And then all of the things that are going to sit on the shelf, I want to pop from the black wall. So I thought if I had these out, because they are absolutely gorgeous, they would look really nice against the black wall in contrast. So that's why I got the white. But I am super happy with these. These are so adorable. They are going to hold the perfect amount of espresso and steamed milk. I'm in love with these. Honestly happy with everything that I got from this order. Maybe the pet brush is like and I'm really upset that I didn't get the bedding because I was so excited to show you guys, like, look what I got for free. But I have, contact with live support. So hopefully I'll be able to update you that in like a future Flip video, because since I had that bank and I only spent like $120 of the $160 that I earned in January, and then I've earned like 30 something so far in February, I have like still $80, $83 or something like that I can still use to buy stuff, and that will give you already 1 free item, and I'd only have to spend $20 more to get 2 free items for the $100 tier, but I'm getting the 30% off, so it's like, I really don't know how Flip's like game plan is working here. I really do like how all of the product review videos that you're watching are mostly from real people. I think since the app kind of took off, there are some more influencer-y, like professional people making videos on there. But I mean, most of them are just like plain people like showing you the product and telling you how it is. And that's kind of like how I do it, but like I try to make it fun, obviously. That's all I have for you today, guys. If you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on if you thought any of these things were cool, or if you thought I got a really good deal for not paying anything for anything. That would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you guys so, so much. I will see you on the next one, and hopefully my voice will be better. Bye!